Well, hello again, everyone, and welcome to Steve's Eclectic Adventures. This is going to be a short, just videoing as I leave my house and come out to this road that I've shown you in the past. I'm going to do a real quick shot down here to show you that we do have some rather large vehicles that will drive along this wet, muddy dirt road. And when the vehicle passes, you'll understand why I'm doing this short. So I mentioned that I can't wait until this road gets paved. And so let me just walk down here. Where that van is currently is a perpetual muddy pond. And I'm going to just hit this real quick. We have a lot of motorcycles and tricycles that go up. There's two roads, one on the one side and one on the other side there. And there are a lot of houses back there. So we have a lot of people with motorcycles and tricycles that go up there. And they've actually created some ditches here in the dirt. But as I now continue up here to the muddy area, this had actually dried out a little bit because the rainy season is ending and this had dried out, but we had some significant rain today. So there's that. And here we are, and again, rocky. I hate riding my motorcycle over this because you got the big rocks all over. And I can see that we've got a little bit of rain taking place. Unfortunately, I'm where I wanted to be to show you this. Now I'm going to turn to my right here and just show you. And you see those metal forms there? Those forms are for paving the roadway. I understand they're going to do about 100 meters worth of paving, which will be great. I think that'll take it past my house. But I'm going to stop it here because the rain's starting. I've gotten back to my patio, and as you can hear, my neighbor across the street decided he wanted some musical entertainment. The rain was just minor, but it was enough that I didn't want to get my smartphone wet. But yeah, I just wanted to show you that because they're supposed to start paving this road from the intersection that's already paved down past my house. And those metal forms were delivered on Saturday. Today is Tuesday, February 6, 2024. And so any time now, they're going to start paving this road. And I'm just going to post this video right now. But as they pave the road, I'll probably add more to it and post a longer version. Okay, so thanks for listening. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. Hit the like button. And we'll see you in the next one.